Now, if you want to know what it's like to be on a stage crew, just pick up the heaviest piece of furniture in your house. Carry that piece of furniture to the nearest elementary school during recess. Put on some really dark glasses so you really can't see well, and now run through the playground without making contact or knocking over any of these little immature children running around. They run around like wild banshees, and do it in 10 seconds. To present the award for stage crew, please welcome Fairfax County School Board Member at Large, the Honorable Ryan McElveen.
I love you too. The category is stage crew. The nominees are Darby Benford, Jessica Moore, Grace Weaver, Quinn Yost in Big the Musical, Fairfax High School. Haley Clausen, Mary Conklin, Mia Dyson, Amber Lambie, and Adam's Family at Heritage High School. Mary Albert, Breezy Johnson, Thomas Kelty, Blue Morph Suit Crew, and Big Fish at McLean High School. Lily Cecil, Tommy Kelleher, The Miracle Worker, Paul VI High School. Sam Poole, Jacob Warren, Elena Phelan, Black Morph Suit Crew, Adam's Family, West Potomac. The envelope, please. And the Cappy goes to Darby Benford, Jessica Moore, Grace Weaver, and Quinn Yost, Fairfax High School, Big the Musical.
They're coming up. I just want to thank Mr. DeCenzo for pushing us to get everything done as fast as possible, moving two-story houses on in less than 10 seconds. I want to give a special thank you to Nathan Smith and Aaron Tips who are in the audience today for helping me not kill my run crew, because it was very stressful. And so I just thank you all for coming and seeing the show.
Congratulations, Fairfax. To present the award for female vocalist, please welcome Falls Church City Public Schools Superintendent Tony Jones and publisher and video producer of the Maryland Theater Guide, Mark Beachy.
Good evening. I just want to take this opportunity, first of all, to say thank you to our theater director at George Mason High School, Sean Northrup, who I know is in the audience, and also congratulations to our Mustangs who are nominated tonight. Congratulations.
Well, I don't know about you, but in order to present this award properly, I need to do a vocal warm-up. So if you don't mind.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready now.
And I'm not doing that. The category is female vocalist.
Okay, and the nominees are Molly Berry for Big the Musical, Fairfax High School. Alexandra Smith for Phantom of the Opera at George Mason High School. Carol Bachman for Les Miserables, South County High School. Emily Flack for Annie Get Your Gun, Thomas Edison High School. And last but not least, we have Emily Severich for the Pajama Game.
And the Cappy goes to Emily Flack, Thomas Edison High School.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I just want to say thank you so much to my family and all my friends over at Edison Drama. I love all of you guys so much. The entire Annie Get Your Gun crew, cast, and our director, Mr. McCormick. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for us. I know you're not here, but we're going to miss you so much next year, and just thank you, everybody.
Congratulations to Emily. To present the award for male vocalist, pardon me, please welcome Vice Chairman of the Alexandria City School Board, the Honorable Christopher J. Lewis. And the Fairfax County School Board member from the Mount Vernon District, the Honorable Daniel Stork.
Good evening. So this is my first ever Cappies, and I know with Dan, he's a little nervous in theaters. So I think they found the largest school board member to come present with him.
And with a crowd like this, I'm very glad they did.
And the category is male vocalist.
And the nominees are Joshua Ewald, Beauty and the Beast, Centerville High School. Sam Williams, The Sound of Music, Jeb Stewart High School. Jack Goreski, Les Miserables, South County High School. Harrison DeWolf, Hairspray, South Lakes High School. And Max Fowler, Mary Poppins, Thomas S. Woodson High School.
Down below, please. And the Cappy goes to Jack Goreski, South County Secondary School, Les Miserables.
Hello. I love you too. Thank you. I would like to first of all thank my director, Miss McCormley, for giving a 5'8", 120-pound ginger with a pasty white chest to play Jean Valjean. So thank you, thank you. I'd like to thank my musical director, Miss Willard, my mom, my dad, my sister for listening to me sing all the time, my girlfriend Molly, and most importantly, the cast and crew and pit of Les Miserables at South County. Thank you.
Congratulations, Jack. The Creativity Award can be given to any students who do something wonderful that is not covered in one of the other categories. And we have discovered over the years that our students can be extremely creative in coming up with new ways to be creative. To present the award for creativity, please welcome Arlington County School Board Vice Chair, the Honorable Dr. Emma Violin Sanchez.
Buenas noches. Felicidades. Congratulations for your talent and creativity. The nominees for creativity are Claire Huer, Jenny Sue. For music composition, Radium Girls, Chantilly High School. And the next special nominee from Arlington Public Schools, Bennett Wenshak, Guilty Conscience, H.B. Woodlawn High School. The next nominees are Tyler Cunningham for Original Music Composition, Book of Days, Langley High School. Iona McLean, May McLean, Music Composition and Performance for Richard III, St. Stephen's and St. Agnes School. Next nominees, Stephen Coakley, Kyle Evans, Music Direction, CATS, Tuscarora High School. The envelope, please. And the Cappy goes to Iona McLean and Meg McLean for music composition and performance, St. Stephen's and St. Agnes School.
Oh my gosh, we'd like to thank Mr. Marvin and all the Stage 1 players. We'd like to also thank the Cappy organization and all you beautiful people. Oh my gosh. And I would like to thank my twin, Iona, because I couldn't have done this without her. And yeah, thank you.
Congratulations, Iona and May. For a couple of $1,000s worth of fabric, lumber, and paint, our set designers have transported our audiences back in time to real places and imaginary places all around the world. Not bad for 37 trips to Home Depot. To present the award for sets, please welcome Group Sales Manager for the Arena Stage, Alvin Ford.
The category is sets, and the nominees are Justina Ha, Michael Clausen, Nathan Little, Ashley Show, Radium Girls, Chantilly High School. Katie Hillis, Austin Martinez, Adams Family, Heritage High School. Ferris Asadi, Ben French, Lou Gorky, Joe Miller, Big Fish, McLean High School. Garrett Christian, Sam Rudy, Ryan Stallman, Carla Valdez, Neverwhere, Robinson Secondary School. Eric Karsten, Elaine Stevens, Nikki Gray, Richard III, St. Stephen's, St. Agnes School. Natalie Jarowski, Ella Moore, Elaine Fallon, Adams Family, West Potomac High School. And the envelope, please. And the Cappy goes to Natalie Jarowski, Ella Moore, Elena Fallon.
Oh my gosh.
First of all, we'd like to thank our amazing cast and crew. We are so honored to be a part of such a great production. It was so much fun, and so honored to be up here with so many amazing other nominees. Wow. We'd like to thank our amazing director, our so supportive parents, and thank you, everyone.
Congratulations, West Potomac. The good news about being a student sound designer is that you get to work with incredibly sophisticated microphones that weigh only a few ounces, shoot invisible signals across the theater, and yet deliver crystal clear sound. The bad news is that you must put these miracles of modern technology on actors who then forget to turn them off when they use the restroom. Ed, give up. To present the award for sound, please welcome Fairfax County Public Schools Assistant Superintendent for Facilities and Transportation Services, Jeffrey Plattenberg, and Fairfax County Public Schools Assistant Superintendent for Information Technology, Mary Beth Luftglass.
Well, the Tonys may have decided to eliminate the sound category. The Cappies believe that sound is absolutely critical for a good quality production. I'd like to thank the Fairfax County Public Schools information technology staff that do a fabulous job providing the production support behind this great production.
And I'm just the guy that cancels school when it snows. The category is sound.
The nominees are Michelle Dwyer, The Drowsy Chaperone, Bishop Ireton, Zach Alvarez, Jared Jacknow, Emma Knapp, and Max Spiel, Big Fish, McLean High School, Andy Matten, Chris Mayhew, Neverwhere, Robinson, David Gingrich, Les Mis, South County, Khalil Hope, Ian Lloyd, Doken Shapiro, Katie Henshaw, Richard III, St. Stephen's and St. Agnes.
The envelope, please. And the Cappy goes to Andy Matten, Chris Mayhew, Robinson Secondary School, Neverwhere.
Dr. Matten, Miss
Miss
Thrift,
Thrift,
the
the
cast,
cast,
and each other.
Congratulations, Andy and Chris.